Ito lang masasabi ko. Kung ako man yung doktor, ligtas kayong lahat.
Oh, that's bullshit.
Hello, thank you very much for watching another station. We are playing another round of Mafia. Mafia with 7 players. Namely, for tonight, we have Kento. We have Sheka. We have Ya Girl. We have Skiddo Levino. We have Raid. We have Kill Uncle. And we have New Bombastic. Alright, so if you guys are watching this video, for sure you've seen at least one of the Mafia videos. Ang masasabi ko lang, with this group of people, at least isang Mafia, at least isang healer, at least isang checker. They don't even know kung ilan yung Mafia, they don't even know kung ano yung mga roles they play. Only I know, and you guys will know later. Let's start the game, guys. Mute your mics, go to sleep.
Good night, everybody!
Sheka, wake up. If you have an ability, let's use it now. Noted. Go back to sleep. Sheka. Everyone wake up.
Everyone,
wake up.
wake up.
Okay, I'm just gonna tell a story here. New game of Mafia, 7 players. Last night, there was someone who was attacked by the Mafia. He, who was riddled with bullets, was rushed to the hospital, but the doctor was attending to someone else. Sorry, guys, you have lost Noob Ambassador. Please turn off your camera.
First blood.
You guys have lost your judge. All right.
Ooh, damn, dude.
For everyone else, I'll give you guys 2 to 3 minutes discuss.
Judge can give
No, can
2 votes,
override.
right?
No, that's
Judge,
the
yung pwede magpalit ng decision sa votes.
No, that's the mayor.
Oh,
So what do
sayang
we do?
naman yung
Do we
role
nominate?
niya.
How do we do this again for your girls' benefit?
Parang one night to. You guys can talk. Parang Ultimate Werewolf to. You guys can talk.
You can nominate, right?
Yeah, the
Yeah,
chopping block,
nomination.
yeah. You can nominate at least 2 votes on the chopping block.
Oh,
Okay, no one's talking.
I'm nominating.
sino si your girl? Okay, I'll second that.
Wala ka kasi sinabi.
Who wants to third it?
The thing is,
Okay.
First.
I'll nominate Kill Uncle.
Hey,
Why?
second!
No, just because. Sorry, wala.
Just
Sige.
because?
I
I'm
nominate Rain.
protecting your girl.
Why? Why are you protecting a girl? You don't know her at all.
It's so gani.
Who would wanna kill? Who would wanna kill
No,
Noob
no, no,
Ambassador?
no, no, no. No, I mean, I have no basis for Kill Uncle. I'm sorry.
There you
No, no,
go.
no.
So
who would want to kill Noob?
I mean, everyone,
First,
right? I mean, he's not that popular,
Yeah.
not that good looking.
Wow!
He's dead anyway.
Oh my God, stop! Grabe, sobrang daming compliments.
Hours, like,
Oh my god, that's
Yeah,
actually...
twice a week.
Tell us what you really feel. Tell us what you really feel.
But he's a nice guy, deep and down. Very, very deep down.
Guys, magto 2 minutes na.
Kill Uncle.
Nadaan ako kayo isa later. Pero sige, usap mo na kayo.
Okay, fine. I'll nominate Rain.
1 nomination for Rain. Rain,
Yeah.
binabawi ba yung...
All random.
I
You have to
nominate
prove us
Rain
it.
to...
2 for Rain.
Okay.
I nominate Kill Uncle just because.
What?
1 for Kill
Oh,
Uncle,
just
2 for
because.
Rain.
I second Skiddo. I
So,
go for Kill Uncle.
Okay, so
What?
dalawa
Muchas
kay
gracias,
Kill
mi
Uncle,
hermosa.
dalawa kay Rain.
Muchas gracias, mi hermosa.
The girl, let's
Damn.
hear from you. The girl, my friend.
Arriba, kill uncle.
Tatlo kay Kill Uncle.
Arriba. Adios, Kill
Alright.
Uncle. Adios.
Actually, it's been
One day
3.5
he'll be
minutes
second.
now. Kill Uncle has 3 nominations. Si Rain has 2. So I'm gonna have Kill Uncle defend himself first. Kill Uncle, you know the drill. 30 seconds, go.
No, I'm a good guy. That's all I can say. And I can be useful later.
No, man. No,
No, man.
man.
Yes, man.
No,
That's it. Later.
Okay, I guess that's.
It would be a waste. It would be a waste.
I mean,
I-
beautiful or something.
I guess that's it.
I've never done
Rain, you have 30 seconds to defend yourself. Go.
So I'm a good guy. It's gonna be a waste. I never lied. Right, Kilangga?
You like the story, Rain.
I love this.
All right. I guess that's
You
it.
too, yeah, girl. Me too.
So, guys, 2, 4, 6 players left. 3 votes to kill unless may magtie. But you're choosing between Kill Uncle and Rain. I'm gonna start with Kill Uncle kasi he had the 3 nominations. So, mag-thumbs down. Who wants to kill Uncle? Show your thumbs down.
Okay.
Going once.
Good guy.
Going twice.
You know it. You feel it in
Kill
your heart.
Uncle, you are safe. Okay, Rain naman tayo. Thumbs down. Who wants to vote out Rain? Show your thumbs down. Going once. Going twice.
Mhm,
Going 3. Wow. Friendly
Wow,
city.
look at who voted
No
for
one
you,
dies.
Rain. Look at who voted for you.
No one dies. Everyone
nominated,
go
I might
back
as well.
to sleep.
Mhm.
Teka, wake up. If you have an ability, use it now. Go back to sleep, Sheka. Everyone, wake up.
Everyone,
Everyone,
wake up.
Okay. Announcements. So again, we are without a judge because the judge was assassinated by the mafia. Hindi siya naprotektahan ng doctor or na healer. Last night, once again, we lost another person.
Uh-oh.
The city bids farewell to its mayor. Kill Uncle, you're dead. Please set up for camera. The mayor is dead. All right. 5 players left. Remember, wala ng mayor. So, the moment na magtay ang dami ng mafia sa civilians, it could be over. Depending with the other roles, it could extend. Pero kung mag-equal sila, it could be over. Anyway, another 2 minutes. Sorry na.
Okay, guys.
So I will reveal my role
We need to
for
vote.
the second round. I am
Need to
the
vote.
investigator. I check your girl.
What do you
You
mean?
check your girl. Your girl is what? What's her role?
There's no investigator here.
Sandman?
No.
You mean he's the
That's not true.
detective?
I am the detective. I check Sheka first. I die. You can say you can vote me out. I'm okay. You're gonna hear that I'm the detective, but you're gonna lose. I don't know. I'm a good guy, so I'm gonna nominate your girl. Sheka is good, unless she's the godfather. I'm not sure, but if your girl for sure is bad.
Huh?
I'm good.
Well,
Yes.
You did check your girl?
I checked you and then your girl. You're good. Your girl is bad. I just checked your girl. Yeah.
I don't know, pero if you vote me
Sure.
out,
Rain.
mahirap yan sa
Okay,
dalawa.
so
Rain,
Yeah,
sure
yeah,
ka, ganto yung pinakita ni Sandman, hindi ganto. Sure ka ganto.
Sigurado kang
Ganito.
hindi.
Kasi nung umpisa,
Okay.
pinakita niya yung ganito sa'yo. I don't know what that means. Sabi niya, good. So, already.
Yeah.
Tapos, si Kento, then it's gonna be Kento and your girl in one team. If he's covering for her.
Okay, let's vote for your girl first. Mamaya na si Kento.
Your girl. Ito si
Maybe
Kilangga,
you-
napakawala.
Maybe you wait. Someone can be fool and maybe Rain is mafia. I'm so
No, kasi malalaman niya yung malalaman niya yung role ko if it's good or bad. So, I think talagang na-check niya ako.
Unless you're both to our teammates.
Huwag ka na magsalita, Kento. Huwag ka na madaming sinasabi. Walang maniniwala sa'yo dito.
Why are you covering Rain? For what reason though? If you aren't sure.
No, wala connection mo, Rain. Pero actually, it's almost 3.5 minutes.
So,
and I have-
who did you check the first day, Kento?
Who did you check?
I checked Skiddo.
Who did you check?
And what is my role? What did Sandman say? Kento?
Good, bad, or neutral?
Lies.
Okay, so it's been 2.5 minutes. Dadaanan ko isa-isa numerically. Sabihin nyo kung may na-nominate kayo, okay? Starting with Kento. Kento, if you're gonna nominate anyone, who?
Sheka.
1 for Sheka. Sheka, kung may na-nominate ka, sino? Nominate pa lang
The
ta.
girl.
1 for
Yeah,
your girl,
girl.
1 for Sheka. Yeah, girl, if you're gonna nominate anyone, sino?
Sheka.
2 for Sheka, 1 for
Oh,
your girl.
nagsama ang dalawang, ang
Skiddo.
dalawang mafia, nagsama.
If you're gonna nominate anyone, who are you gonna nominate?
Wait, I think my vote is irrelevant because both of them are gonna cancel each other out. So
Depends. Pero are you gonna nominate anyone?
wait, what's the vote count
For
right
the
now?
game's
Dalawa
sake.
kay Sheka, isa kay girl.
Who do you girl?
Okay, 2 for a girl, 2 for Sheka. Rain, meron ka ba na-nominate? Parang nakikinig si Rain ng something very entertaining din sa kung paano siya na piece right now. May
An
section
evil
sa...
smirk?
Alright, so
An
Rain,
evil something?
you froze, pero I guess it wouldn't change the nominated people anyway. It's between Sheka and your girl. I'll start with Sheka since nauna siya nagka-2 nominations. Sheka, 30 seconds. Go.
I'm good. Hindi ko pa pwede i-reveal yung role ko kasi baka mapatay ako. Kasi hindi ko pwedeng okay, I'm a doctor. Hindi ko pwedeng i-protect yung sarili ko. So first, I protect Skiddo, and then after the next night, your ability is stolen, block this night. You cannot perform your action. So I'm good.
Alright, that's 30 seconds.
Not.
Your girl, what?
Not. Sandman will not send it.
Your girl, you have 30 seconds. Defend yourself. Go.
I am also good. Pero hindi ko rin pwedeng sabihin yung role ko. But very important siya. As in, very important. Very important para manalo yung mga villagers. Yun lang masasabi ko. Kung pwede kong sabihin, bagong role siya.
Alright, I guess that's it. Alright, sakto bumalik na si Rain. But anyway, 5 people left. You are choosing between Sheka and the girl. I'll start with Sheka since una siya nagka-2 nominations. Pakita yung thumbs down niya if you want to vote out Sheka. Going once. Going twice. Going Sheka.
I mean...
Pakita yung thumbs down niya if you want to vote out the girl. Going once. Going twice.
Thank
you! Girl, yes. Please turn off your camera.
You guys!
The girl was lying. She was a mafia. Good job. There's at least one mafia.
Guys, alam
The game
na.
is not over.
Si Kento. Alam na si Kento.
Go back to sleep.
Power nap.
Sheka, wake up. If you have an ability, let's use it now. Go back to sleep. Everyone wake up.
Everyone,
wake up. Alright, maganda sa mafia. Lahat kayo may rules eh. The judge is dead, the mayor is dead, and now the doctor is dead. Yes, Sheka, you have been killed by the mafia. Riddled with bullets, Sheka is dead. Please turn off the camera. Thank you very much. Okay, 3 players left. There's at least one bad guy, at least one good guy. 2 minutes starting now.
Kiddo, if you want to win this game, you should do the most pivotal thing.
Wow!
And that would be...
It's
what?
up to you. It happened. This happened last week between Shaper and Bujin Ata. Don't really remember. And they choose to draw.
I don't recall that. What was that?
It happened.
Who's Shaper? Did I play with Shaper?
Yeah.
Who's that guy?
Oh.
I'm just kidding. But who's what's that game you're talking about? I don't recall any game.
I nominate Rain.
I nominate Kento.
Uh-oh.
Rain, who will you nominate? You will lose if you would nominate me. So, what would be your move this time? Syempre, I know that Skiddo want to be voted out in this round.
No, I'm not.
No, no, yes you do.
Oh wait,
No,
I
no.
can talk. I can talk. Rain, you can talk.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm gonna nominate Kento.
Okay.
Okay, Kento. Or was it Skiddo? Wait. Oh shoot. Kento. Kento.
Are you sure, Rain? Are you
Are you
sure?
sure, Ray?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay.
Akala ko I cannot talk. I just cannot perform my action. What is the student? What is that?
Yeah, me too. I did my action, but like someone blocked me.
Kento.
Is it really? Is it really fine for you, Skiddo, to lose this game?
I mean, I have the cards. I mean, I'm a villager.
No, no. I
You're
know
outnumbered.
I know your role, even though you won't say
Bro! You're outnumbered, bro! Two
No.
villagers!
What's
I'm
the rule of
Mafia,
Shaika?
bro.
What's the rule of Shaika?
it. Rain, remember
What's
that
Check
there's a
she's the
pool.
doctor.
Oh, she's the doctor. Okay.
I checked
Ah,
her.
okay. Yeah, that's good.
Oh, sorry. Nakamit pala ako the entire time. Pambihira. Sorry. Kento. Jeez. Nakakainis.
Bad
Nakamit
trip.
pala ako the entire time.
Bad.
Kento, you have 30 seconds to defend yourself. Defend yourself, go.
Kung gusto lang naman manalo ni Skiddo, boboto niya si Rain. That's all.
Alright, I guess that's it. So guys, si Kento lang ang nasa chopping block. 2 votes to kill. You don't have to vote if you're not sure. So, pakita yung thumbs down niya. Who wants to vote out Kento? Going once. Going twice. Going 3 times. Oh, he voted. Kento, you are dead. Please turn off your camera. Kala ko mananalo ka, no? Kento was the mafia. The fool gave up. Skiddo was the fool. Everyone wake up. Panaling village. Rain was the detective. Sheikah was the doctor. Your girl and Kento were the mafia. Kalangko was, Judge and Mayor.
Still, Uncle.
Nakakatawa lang kasi Kento did not wake up again on the first night.
Ako pala yung mafia. Mafia pala yung role ko. I'm sorry.
Nilagay ko na dun sa role, yung wake up.
Na-confuse ako.
Sayang kasi, inattack ni girl si New Ambassador, pero ginamit din ni Kento yung ability niya kay New Ambassador. So nasayang, hindi nagamit sa first night yung ability niya. Kento, FYI, for the recording, was the thief. And ang thief kasi could block an ability of a non-mafia player at nights. So yeah, good job. The mafia one, the village one, sayang natalo si Skiddo. Skiddo was the fool. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, hit the notification button too para update kayo every time we upload these games. And if you like to join our game, send us a message. We'll invite you next time. Until then, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.
Sabi ko Skiddo dapat meron na lang